Medellín, Colombia, South America, Earth.
Going to the Poblado metro station, just right there.
So we found the metro. Took us a minute. They had to go upstairs. That surprised me. But we did it. So today our plan is to explore Medellin, just kind of freestyle, see what we can see. Probably try to find the cable car, probably try to find Communa 13, try some good food. You know, we've got one day here, so we're just kind of exploring. Okay, so we're on the cable car in Medellin. 5 stops up north and 5 stops coming down. We've already rode it up and down once and doing it again. Because you're above the city. The whole this part of the town's on a hill. So you're above the whole hill and you can kind of look at the way everyone lives and see everything going on. It's an awesome ride. This is fun for me. I could just sit on this for another hour. Nice to see the way everyone lives, you know. Give you some gratitude for your own life because it's not the wealthiest area of the town. You can see a lot of the roofs are metal roofs, just with brick on top. So you gotta assume they're not even screwed down, I guess. They got these rubble bricks on top. A lot of guys are still building like an extra level on their house. You can see a lot of construction projects halfway done. Pretty incredible. People hanging their laundry out, some graffiti around. It's a nice ride, the Medellin cable car.
Just got some food.
Picture?
Bandeja paisa.
The picture doesn't look as good as that. They made it even better.
Yeah, the plate looks better than the picture.
That looks nice.
Bandeja paisa is a traditional Colombian food with beans, rice, sausage, and eggs and plantains. Yummy. Got it from this place.
I think we're in the graffiti area. Our other camera died. Said it was too hot. Let it cool.
Yeah.
So using the GoPro.
Okay, let's keep walking.
Check out the street art. So Communa 13 was once one of the most dangerous communities in Medellin during Pablo Escobar's time for sure. But since then it's made a pretty magnificent recovery. It's a pretty vibrant community, safe, completely safe neighborhood. It's known for its graffiti on every corner. It also has these pretty fancy escalators throughout the little narrow hallways of the town, so that the tourists can get around. It's known as a tourist area completely safe. It's pretty much a must-see if you're in Medellin.
So Medellin got pretty funky bars.
I was yawning, sorry, I was yawning.
Okay. Where would you like to go, baby?
I want to get some pizza. I feel like pizza in like 3 weeks, man. A little pizza, some cheap pizza. What's his name? Juggler. You get him? Come on, buddy, don't screw it up. Flawless routine, flawless routine. There he goes, to the head. Come on, pretty good routine, no? Now he does a softer trick. And he spins it on his finger. Goes under the arm. Around the shoulder. Onto the pin. Nice routine, buddy. Around the arm, around the back, onto the pin. Come on. Slick. That's not worth 1,000 pesos? That's gotta be worth 1,000 pesos.